Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts, and I'd like to show you the brand new firmware 2.0.4. This new firmware can establish better tunnels, it's completely fixed that pesky Wi-Fi issue, and has the new setup wizard. Let's take a look. Log into your device and let's take a look at the top. Head over to DPN and then Mode. If you see this warning at the top, that means that access control is enabled, which also is a reminder that access control is priority, so it does not matter what you have in the DPN Mode section set. Access control is what you need to focus on. Next, head down to Settings, and there you'll see the brand new Setup Wizard. Once you click on it, a new page will open which will walk through the steps on how to set up your device for the first time. It's a very simple tool. Now, head over to the Settings, Wi-Fi, and then Wi-Fi Settings. You'll see a little warning message there that says Wi-Fi antenna not connected. This is a great troubleshooting tool if you're having problems with your Wi-Fi. Next, head over to Ads Blocker and HTTPS filtering. All you need to do is make sure that you have downloaded and installed the root certificate after the date that is displayed in your device. Every device is different, so if you've downloaded and installed the certificate after that date, you're fine. Lastly is a toggle that you will see when you are using wireless relay mode on a Pico or Air. Allow LAN access to this device is designed to cut off other users to find your device when you are on the same public Wi-Fi. Your device will not be accessible to others when you have Allow LAN access off, which is good. They have to be on your Wi-Fi to access your device. It's a way to keep your network even more secure. If you're using a private controlled network, like your home, it's good to leave this enabled. Make sure that you have auto update available and enjoy 2.0.4.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.